great people! Today, the leading companies of the world like Google, Intel, IBM are doing a fascinating thing. The quantum computers. They are going to bring the revolution in this world. They are not hard. Let's take the challenge to understand them. In this video, we are going to answer three major questions. First, what makes quantum computers different? Second, how do they actually work? And third, what amazing things they can do. So let's start. The computers we use today still take hundreds of years to solve complex problems. The good news, we have quantum computers which can solve them in seconds. So the magic lies in those qubits. Let's understand the bits first. Computers compute all the data in ones and zeros. We humans read this word as physics, but computers, they read this as set of ones and zeros. They usually speak binary language. But the problem arises when the number of bits to deal with becomes really large. While doing climate research or space exploration, so we have qubits for them. The phenomena that makes qubits so fabulous is quantum superposition. It simply means to be in two or more conditions at the same time. Like a spinning coin, showing heads and tails at the same time. Or qubits or electrons having spin up and spin down at the same time, or 1 and 0 simultaneously. This is the main physics of quantum computers. Quantum computers are not just the faster version of today's computer. They are fundamentally a very different machine. As we all know, in the classical computers, if we have 2 bits, it can represent 4 states. 1 1, 1 0, 0 1 and 0 0, but one at a time. This limits the computer to process one input at a time, whereas in quantum computers, it also represents the exact 4 states, but due to superposition, all of them at the same time. So it can give you results much faster. That's a bit like 4 computers running side by side. An easy example could be, say if you want to find a page which can be in either of the 5 books you have. Regular computers would check each book one by one, whereas quantum computers, all books at a time. Processing power of quantum computers grows exponentially. N qubits can store information of 2 raised to n classical bits. Like 10 qubits can store information equivalent to 1024 classical bits. And every time you add 1 qubit, processing power just doubles. They can actually solve the problems which were thought to be unsolvable till now. They can tell us how exactly our universe was born and explore the universe far beyond our reach. They can check criminal activities happening online and secure your data that no one can break the security code ever. And of course, advancement in artificial intelligence. So come, let's get ready to live in the era of quantum revolution.